Come with me on a wild adventure. Hi, my name is Jared Vandermeer, and I'm a wildlife photographer based on Vancouver Island, Canada. As a wildlife photographer, it's my job to capture nature and wildlife moments, and to be a little educational and entertaining. You see, for me, it's all about capturing the angles, the behavior, and of course, the action. Over the last month, I've had the A7R5 and the 2 to 600mm lens. I've been testing it out, taking some bird shots around the island. I look for 3 main things from my equipment. 1, resolution, 2, reach, and 3, speed. But that's not even what I like most about this setup. With up to 8 stops of stabilization in the body and the internal stabilization on the lens, I primarily shoot handheld, so those 2 features let me get the most out of this kit. There's a bald eagle on the shore just over there. Check this out. 61 megapixel photos and up to 8K 24 frames video. This is a resolution beast. And that's it for today's adventure. Stay wild, friends. I'll see you again soon.